everyone, welcome to Studio Hackz. Today we're looking at formant and pitch shifting vocal effects. Anyone who's heard modern vocal production knows how useful these tools can be, so let's get right into it. We're going to be looking at 3 different tools from 3 different manufacturers today. Once again, we're using this great song from Jacob Campbell, so let's check it out.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
First tool we're going to look at is M Auto Pitch from Melda. This is an amazing tool that allows for basic pitch correction as well as formant and other vocal effects. I recommend it to newcomers to pitch correction and formant effects because it's both simple as well as affordable. We're going to look at this effects section on the right side, specifically the formant shift and keep formant sections. Formant shift adjusts the tone, left goes deeper with right going higher.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
The keep formant style allows for how transparent this effect is. All the way up, giving more of a natural sound, and reducing it makes the effects more noticeable and drastic.
The
second tool is my go-to in formant and pitch effects for vocals, and it's Alter Boy from Sound Toys. Like all Sound Toy plugins, Alter Boy is extremely easy and straightforward to use without compromising sound quality. Looking at the yellow section first, we have 2 knobs. One actually controlling the bass pitch of the sample, and the second one controlling the formant. Same as our last plugin, one way makes you go deeper and the other sends you higher. By pressing control when you click, you can view the semitones that you're changing.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
The last tool we're going to look at is Auto-Tune from Antares, and some of the formant effects that they have to offer. We recommend this system if you're already using Auto-Tune due to how easy it is to integrate it into your system. You'll need to turn it on with the button labeled formant on the top, then you have a dial next to it to control the tone. Keep in mind it's the inverse of the other plugins, where to the right will send you down in tone and to the left will send you up.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
Formant effects are great whether you're trying to be underwater or a magical little chipmunk. They allow you to do anything you want, so definitely look into these tools, play around with some other tools, and let us know what you think. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Have a good one.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up. Got me searching just for a reason, but the cycle it keep repeating. On and on, then on and off again. On and on, then on and off again. On and on, then on and off again. Then on and off again, then on and off again. We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up. Got me searching just for a reason, but the cycle it keeps